Welcome to the instructional video on how to properly assemble the rear wheels for the ride and stand Stroll and Trike. The tool required for this assembly is a hammer. The first step is to snap the brakes onto the frame. Next, slide the wheel on the axle and slide the axle through the frame. Repeat this process on the other side. Turn the wheel on its side where the axle was inserted and hold the body steady by placing your feet on the bottom wheel. Now hammer on the hubcap. Finally, turn the trike back to normal position. Hold one cap in place while completely hammering on the other hubcap. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to properly assemble the rear wheels for the ride and stand Stroll and Trike. For any other questions, please contact our customer service team.